Hexgears presents the Venture, the newest evolution in wireless mechanical keyboards. The Venture is a super slim mechanical keyboard featuring a standard layout, low-profile chalk switches, full RGB backlighting, and improved multi-device Bluetooth connectivity. The Venture works with all major operating systems, in both Bluetooth and wired modes using a future-proof USB Type-C connection. The Venture operates at the fastest possible polling rate in Bluetooth mode. That means it's esports ready right out of the box. It's designed to help you win, whether you're competing in a tournament or hammering out a critical report. Its multi-device Bluetooth connectivity allows you to pair with your TV, computer, and phone with just a few clicks. Switching between your wireless devices has never been easier. The Venture's wireless battery life is remarkable, boasting a 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery bank that can last up to a month on a single charge. In the event that your keyboard does lose power while on the go, the batteries are user replaceable, so you are always able to use your keyboard. The Venture maintains a full-size keyboard layout, inclusive of the numpad, ensuring no compromise for your typing needs. Our low-profile switches are built in partnership with Kaiwa, the #1 switch manufacturer. Their long-lasting chalk platform provides the best low-profile performance on the market. We listened to feedback from the X1 project to create this new Venture, the ultimate wireless keyboard for everyone. Its beautiful RGB lighting ring, sculpted keycaps, aluminum upper frame, and slim form factor make for the perfect typing experience. Please support our Kickstarter campaign to make the Hexgears Venture a reality.